Coppell homeowners know how demanding Texas weather can be. With long, hot summers and occasional cold snaps in winter, keeping your home comfortable often means running your HVAC system for much of the year. If you're noticing drafts, uneven temperatures, or rising energy bills, your windows could be part of the problem. One of the most effective solutions for minimizing air leaks is installing fixed picture windows. These windows are specifically designed to provide expansive views and natural light, while also delivering exceptional airtight performance. Why air leaks matter in Coppell: air leaks around windows allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to enter. In the summer, that means hot, humid air creeping inside. In the winter, it can mean chilly drafts and cold spots near your windows. Over time, air leakage can lead to higher energy bills, increased HVAC strain, uneven room temperatures, reduced indoor comfort. In a climate like Coppell's, where cooling costs are significant, even small leaks can make a noticeable impact. The advantage of a fixed design: unlike double-hung, sliding, or casement windows, fixed picture windows do not open or close. This simple design offers a major performance advantage. Because there are no moving sashes, no sliding tracks, no crank mechanisms, fewer seams, there are fewer opportunities for air to infiltrate. Operable windows rely on weather stripping and mechanical compression to create a seal. Over time, those seals can wear down. Fixed picture windows, however, are permanently sealed within the frame, creating one of the tightest closures available. Stronger, more consistent sealing: modern fixed picture windows are manufactured with advanced sealing systems that bond the glass unit securely into the frame. When professionally installed, they form a continuous air barrier around the perimeter. This helps block drafts, prevent hot air infiltration, maintain stable indoor temperatures, improve overall energy efficiency. In Coppell homes where sunlight and heat are constant factors, this airtight construction reduces strain on your cooling system. Advanced glass technology enhances performance. Fixed picture windows don't just rely on tight seals, they also feature energy-efficient glass packages. Most modern units include double or triple pane insulated glass, argon gas between panes, low E, low emissivity coatings. Low coatings reflect infrared heat away from your home, reducing solar heat gain. Combined with the airtight design, this creates a powerful defense against temperature fluctuations. For Coppell homeowners, this means more consistent comfort year-round. Reduced maintenance and long-term reliability. Air leaks often develop as operable window hardware ages. Tracks collect debris, weather stripping compresses, and moving parts wear out. Fixed picture windows eliminate many of these concerns because they have no mechanical components. With fewer parts exposed to wear and tear, the window maintains its seal longer. Routine cleaning and periodic inspection of exterior caulking are typically all that's required to maintain performance. Ideal placement for maximum impact: picture windows are commonly installed in living rooms, dining rooms, and open concept areas where natural light and outdoor views are priorities. In Coppell homes, strategically placing fixed picture windows on sun-facing walls allows you to capture natural light, enjoy scenic views, reduce artificial lighting needs, minimize air leakage. For ventilation needs, homeowners often pair picture windows with operable windows nearby, achieving both airflow and airtight performance where it matters most. Professional installation is key. Even the most energy-efficient fixed window won't perform properly if installation is subpar. Professional installation ensures the frame is level and square. Insulation fully seals the opening. Exterior flashing prevents moisture intrusion. All gaps are properly sealed. In Coppell's heat and seasonal storms, proper installation protects your home from both air leaks and water damage. A smart solution for energy-conscious homeowners. If reducing air leaks is a priority, fixed picture windows are one of the most effective upgrades available. Their simple, sealed design minimizes infiltration while delivering beautiful natural light and unobstructed views. For Coppell homeowners seeking better comfort, lower energy bills, and long-term reliability, fixed picture windows offer a clean, efficient, and practical solution, helping your home stay cooler, quieter, and more comfortable all year long.